Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do my makeup for Shizuku-tan, or more like Marin Cosplay Shizuku-tan from my Dress Up Darling. I've already taped my cheeks so they look slimmer, and now I'm applying foundation. And while I'm doing it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. And you can also check out my other social media, which I listed in the description down below. Next, I grab the concealer in a shade way lighter than my skin and I apply it on the center of my face. And then I set everything in place with the wet beauty blender and powder. Then I move on to doing my eyebrows, and I use the purple from this NYX palette. I'm past the age when I was willing to shave my eyebrows out for cosplay. Yes, I used to do it, so I just outline my eyebrows. And then I use the black from the same palette to deepen the color on the ends of the eyebrows to match the wig better. Oops, I messed up here, so I'll clean it up with a Q-tip. And I add more concealer to cover up whatever I took off. I use this soap to set eyebrows in place, and I pop in the lenses. Next, I start my eye makeup by applying the pink color all over the lid. This palette I'm using was a limited edition, I think. I only grabbed it because it was on sale and I needed to make the minimum for free shipping. But it's honestly the best NYX palette I've ever tried. Usually their eyeshadow is kind of meh, but this one is really nice and pigmented. And then I grabbed the bright cool tone red eyeshadow and add it in the crease and outer corner and under my eye and pretty much everywhere. By the way, if this dry red thing on my nose is bothering you, I'm going to fix it up later. I don't even know what it is. It's not acne, it's just really dry and angry. And then I also blend it onto my cheeks as a blush. I blend it out with a brush with leftover foundation so it doesn't look as bright. And then I also add some eyeshadow on the nose because I love putting blush on my nose. Next, I grab this beautiful pink glitter and apply it all over my lid with my finger. I use this weird spongy brush thing to get it in the corner where my finger doesn't reach. And then I do the eyeliner. I do a very tiny wing to make my eyes droopy. The glitter mixes with eyeliner, making it shiny, and I don't like it, so I have to put a couple layers of eyeliner to cover it up. Next, I draw a bag under my eye with a brown pencil and I blend it out, and then I draw a line from the center of my eye to the tip of the wing to make my eye look even more droopy. Then I use a Q-tip and micellar water to remove eyeshadow in the part between the eye and the line I drew. And then I grab this light pink pencil that's 1,000 years old, but I love it dearly. And I fill in this space. I blend it out with a brush, and then I add more brown and then more light pink again. I could have used white, but it would stand out too much, so light pink works way better. I draw bottom eyelashes with the eyeliner coming from the brown line. And then I curl my eyelashes and put the mascara on. I grab the highlighter and put it in the corner and under my eye, and then I contour my nose. I use a bit of concealer to cover up this weird blemish, and I put the highlighter on the tip and the bridge of my nose and also on my chin. I take a brush with leftover foundation and cover my lips, and then I contour them. I'm not going to crazy outline them like I usually do, because I feel like that fits Shizuku-tan better. But I want them to not look too small, so that's how I do it. Then I grab this holy grail red lipstick that I love so much from Lime Crime. I apply it on the center of my lips and blend it out, not leaving the contour of the lips. And then I apply more on the center and only blend out the edges. Finally, I grab my eyelashes, and normally I would cut them to fit my eye, but today I'm going to keep them on the longer side, and I glue them slightly off the edge of the eye on the outer corner to accentuate the droopy look even more. And we're done!